Welcome everyone. So let's get right to it and start our live streaming. If you can hear me, just say hi. We have Alvin first in the house. Then we have Christopher. How everybody doing? Let's bring our watch list for today. We have a watch list. We got some stock jump yesterday, almost 44%, and today is down almost 12%. So this first stock on our watch list is called MEGL, Magic Empire Global Limited. So the price is about to have a breakout zone. Yesterday we got rejected around the $3.38. Potential squeeze for this stock. Someone bought heavily yesterday around when the market opened. We have a huge volatility. We did 44%. There's a potential for this stock to go again. Let me just check. There's a potential for 60% for today or for tomorrow market if we break the $3.38. So we put it on our watch list. Zoom Medica, we already took our profit yesterday around this area. As we said, we have a sign of weakness the moment that we test our rejection area, the 33 cents. That's why the price went down. So we put it on our watch list for potential reversal after we break the 28 cents. Next up, we got BBIG. The price went down, sign of weakness when we dipped from the 75 cents. Let me just check the pre-market now for BBIG. So let me just check. We have BBBY. Yeah, it's neutral. Let me just put BBIG in the list. 2% down around the 70 cents. So below our breakout zone, the 75 or resistant area. So we have this box to hold for BBIG. Today we did a watch list on our Patreon. So we're gonna have we have to cover first the question here from our hunters on Patreon. We got many requests for BBY. You see it here, 60% for BBY for today. And then AMC, and of course after that we're gonna cover the requested stock from our hunter on Patreon. First we got Bahi asked about BOIL. Where's the bottom for this? And because it's connected to natural gas. Thank you for bringing this up. We got Ahmed ask about BBY. We got Eileen asked about FUBO. Sell or keep? This is a really good question. We got Elite. Always bring crypto with him. Always. We got REVN. Let me just put the watch list for Patreon. So we got BBBY first. We got AMC. After that, we got BOIL. After that, we got FUBO. So right now we are writing the watch lists for request stock from our hunter on Patreon. Then we have to watch out for the stock that have potential for squeeze. Then we're gonna take the request stock on here on our YouTube channel, okay? So let me just organize everything. RIVN. We have exit strategy for it. We got ATER for Margo and EQT MULN. Okay, we're gonna take one stock and one request for each hunter on our Patreon because we have to watch out for these levels. Okay, we put the watch list for today. Welcome everybody. Welcome Raja. Welcome Carlos. Alvin. OTRK, please. Okay, one of my hunter on Patreon. So let me just put OTRK there and check it. Wow, 94% yesterday, and today in pre-market is 15% down. Okay, so this is really interesting. Boom, low volatility before we hit with a massive breakout zone here and a rejection. Let me map the profit taken, and of course potential breakout for today is around this level. So we have two level for this one, yeah, around the 95. Yeah, the 95 should be the breakout zone. Wow, thank you for bringing this up. This is one looking really good. Let me just put alert for this one. OTRK, we put it on our list. There's a potential for gaining back some momentum. Yesterday we did almost 100%, 184 worth of volume for this stock. So we have a potential trade for this stock. As long as we hold this AMA and this bottom for this stock around the 74, we're gonna see this reaction. The price will break the $1.03. Boom, we're gonna have explosion the moment that we break the $1.64. Let me just check how much we can do from here. Yeah, let me just put another profit taken if we broke the $1.03 around this level, the $1.19. Already put my alert for this one to hunt, and after that we have the breakout zone for $1.64. And then we're gonna do another 155% around the $2.61. So this one should be on our first one on our list. Then we have MEGL, second one. And of course, let me just check the pre-market now and see the most gainer. We have two stocks. Let us check those two stocks. We got RTX and the other one AMST. Okay, so the market today is a bit not volatile. Yeah, we have Starbucks doing 22%, and Hyundai. Let me just put those two here. So this one was pumping in pre-market. We lost almost 60%. So this one sold off. This one is sold off. Let me just check if we have an entry later on when the market open. Yeah, so we might have a potential breakout for this stock later on. We're gonna take our profit there. Boom. So this one we might have another trade for this one, but not now because now is getting sold off. I will watch for this one later on for potential trade, potential to trade. Yeah, so I will put it on my watch list, but not now. I will take it off. AMST, yeah, got sold off as well on the breakout zone, the 40 cent. Wow. Okay, I don't like this one. So we have OTRK for potential squeeze. We got MULN going down toward our bottom. ETR doesn't look good right now. ATER. Welcome everybody. VXRT, of course. Fairuz, of course, we're gonna check it out. We already put our list up because we did live streaming requested stock on our Patreon. We have a long list. We're gonna cover it first. As we said, we have to watch out the stock that is been squeezing in the pre-market. We don't have a lot. We got Starbucks is doing 22%. Let us put it on our list to check if there is a level to entry. We got other one, AMST. We might see it as well. Hyundai doing good, almost 14%. The volume is really good on this one, almost 2 million. AMST doing almost 4 million worth of volume. Okay, so we have another 3 stock potential squeeze before the market open. Let us bring the other list. Boom, Hyundai. We got another one. Starbucks. Starbucks doing good. Let us check if we have news. Yes, so we have announced financial result for the fiscal year 2022. So we got some news for the last year. So good news for Starbucks, fundamentally wise. That's why the price jump and investors just running and buying Starbucks. 22% in the pre-market. So Starbucks in our list. Starbucks is on our list. Doing really great. We have a breakout from the $2.67. And yeah, we have a huge selling pressure from the IPO price around the 45. We might see a test for this year around the 45. Now is around the $3. So we have one level of resistance to break to go higher. Let me just put this in orange. And of course, lower the support. Yeah, the support kind of tricky, man. That kind of tricky. Let me just put it there. Of course, and let us bring the first profit taken, the second profit taken, and turning this to green and that for green. Okay, so if you're new here, the orange line that we draw is the breakout zone and resistance. So we don't have to say this is exit, this is entry. A lot of you didn't know like when to enter, when to exit. To make it really simple, guys, like the orange line, the first orange line is always the support. The last orange lines or the second one is the bottom. The orange line is the breakout zone or a resistance. So when we go there, there's a potential for rejection if we don't clear it. If we broke it, is mean and this resistance will turn to support and squeeze area toward the $5.58 and the $7. So we have to watch out for potential trade for Starbucks because it's doing kind of all right to me and look really juicy. We might see a breakout there. Let me just put alert. We might see a breakout around this level. AMST got rejected around the level 44 cents. Okay, this one I don't like. Volume is light. Yesterday we just have almost 300k, so it's not good. I will take it off. Hyundai, on the other hand, Hyundai. Goku, how you doing, brother? So for Hyundai, okay, so for Hyundai we got support around the $4.53. This is our support. The breakout zone for Hyundai is around the $9. Yeah, the $9 looking really interesting. So let me just put alert around the $9 and take it off because it's not now. Starbucks, yeah, maybe we're gonna do a trade for Starbucks. Doing good, Starbucks. STBX. OTRK, MEGL. Okay, what we got here, ATER. So let me just change this. So ATR looking kind of going down a bit, going down. The short is controlling this one. After this pump that we got, let me change or update the bottom or the support. The support is around the $1 for ATR. Breakout zone is around the $2.13. This is the first breakout zone, guys. So watch out for ATR. Squeeze area should be the $2.13. And for ATR to have another squeeze toward the 13 cent or the $2.13 is breaking this ascending line and holding above this AMA. So this is the reaction we're gonna have. Boom, breaking this ascending line, test that $1.50, going down, then going higher toward the $2.13. So here we're gonna have a resistance, and there should be kind of the support. So you see clearly what's gonna happen. We have a potential breakout for ATR. Let me just put alert for the breakout that will happen when the market open. RIVN, one of the stock that been requested from us on our Patreon. This one as well is been gravitating down. I don't like this because wait a second. Yeah, it's a bit chubby. Yeah, the volume is doing good. So down there is kind of tricky, guys. So here should be our breakout zone around the $19. So below the $19, I will not enter for this stock because it's really dangerous. And yeah, after we clear the $19, we might see bullish momentum until the 24. And the time being, we have a bottom or support to hold above the 15. If we don't hold it, it means a new lows toward the $10. If UBO is still holding the $2, got rejected around the $2.40. This is our rejection area. So we have to watch out for the $2.40 as a breakout zone and support for the $2. If we don't hold the $2, is mean a support here. We're gonna have another support there around the $1.79. Let me just take this off. Boom. Okay, so we have BOIL. This one is kind of tricky. Okay, it's still going down. We broke this ascending channel last year and the price went down parabolically. This one is straightforward short, guys. This one is shorting after we clear the 17. So 17 is the resistance. After we clear it, we're gonna have a reversal, but now a new lows every day for this one. So I'll be far away from this stock. Okay, we have just 10 minutes for the opening bell. Let us check. We have Starbucks is still bumping. Yeah, we have OTRK potential trade for today. Let me just check MULN for our requested stock for today. We got the support for MULN is around the 25.59. We might have a test for today. When the market open here, we need to have a reversal, then breaking the 29.89. This is the resistance and this is the support. Because if we don't hold the support and we don't have the same reaction here, a huge wick to take us up, is mean the price continuation toward the 21 for MULN. We're gonna have the price started to have a buying pressure, the 21 and 22 cents. If we broke this level, the 25. So by today, we need to have this reaction going higher than testing the 29 and the 30 cents for MULN. This is the reaction that we have to have. And then going toward the 33. This will be a really good reaction, reversal from there until there, 30% reversal. AMC. AMC, we did the chart analysis yesterday, I believe. If we go here, we already did chart analysis. We did the SPY, we did MULN. You see it here, AMC. Yes, we got many people talk about this. We talk about this support and we said we're gonna have a reversal, and we did. And even the pre-market now is tested our support, the $5.35. We gap down, now is around 3% down. So the game plan for AMC, watch with me closely. We just got 8% or 8 minutes left for the opening bell. So for AMC, watch out for today. This is the support. After we clear it, before we have a huge breakout there, boom, the price went parabolically around our profit taken. Now we need to hold this support. You know why? Because if we don't hold it, we're gonna have a huge dive for the $4.39. In the big picture, we're still holding above this AMA. You see, the moment that we hold above this AMA is mean a bullish momentum. Now we need to hold this ascending line and preferably above the $5.35 to continue to go higher toward the $6 squeeze area and resistance and breakout zone for AMC, the $6.50 to go toward the 7. BBBY, we discussed it today in our Patreon, and we said we have 2 boxes to break and to have a reversal at. This box should be the support today. Now, at the moment, we got neutral. The price is neutral. So now here we have accumulation area for MULN. Watch out. This is a resistant box and this is a reversal box or support box. That's why I put alert down around the $3.50 for breakout down and above the $4.80. And you see it as well here. We have our AMA. We're gonna have a test for today if we went down, so we need to have a bounce from this AMA and continue to go higher. So as long as we hold above this box is mean MULN is still accumulating and have potential to squeeze. We talk about Zoom Medica in the beginning and BBIG as well. So let's go back to Starbucks, the stock that on our watch list for today. Let us check the biggest gainer or the scan for today. In pre-market, we have some stocks jumping almost 100%. Let us see this one, XRTX. Okay, let me just check this one. We have alerts. Okay. So we have an alert for XRTX. Okay, let us put it on our list, XRTX, because of breaking our resistant level. Let me just put it on my brokerage here for potential trade. XRTX. Boom. Okay, so this is a potential trade. We have just 5 minutes. Stock on our watch list. We have XRTX. We have Starbucks, potential trade for today. It did right now in pre-market 24%. We have OTRK have potential to squeeze from the $1.03. Starbucks have potential to squeeze from the $4 toward the $4.53. We have XRTX is pumping above the $1.12. If we held when the market opened above this area is mean we have a pump. Now we have a rejection because we test our AMA. You see here, that's why we got rejected. So I will watch this area of breakout. Let me just check here. Let me just put it there to see. Yeah, we got rejected right around our AMA. Let me just put another alert for it before the market open around this area. Okay, so second one we got Starbucks STPX. Let us put an alert, boom. And the other one we got OTRK. It's a bit far, but just in case, I will put this one here, OTRK, boom. So this disclaimer before the market open, we just have 3 minutes left. Just for a reminder, just know that day trading is risky. Don't follow me blindly. You know, you have to have your own strategy, and you know that our results are not typical. Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. Okay, let me just check. Starbucks XRTX doing all right. Luna Classic is hitting the scan. Oh man, Luna Classic is pumping. We tested the support and now we pumping. Okay, Luna Classic is officially pumping. Let me just check 5%. Yeah, we bounced from the support right around the 15. Let me just go back to our list. And check this one. Okay, 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Okay, so let's go, guys. Let's go. The market is open. We have XRTX. HKD is hitting the scan. HKD is hitting the scan. Okay, let me just put an alert around the 13 for HKD because it's bombing. Okay, so we have XRTX is about to pump from the $1.15 breakout zone. First profit taken should be the $1.34. HKD, it's really volatile. HKD always go pump then dump, so be careful, guys. This one is, I don't trust this stock. I don't trust this stock. So we have to focus on this one for a potential entry. XRTX. ORTK is going toward the breakout zone as well. This one is looking good. Yeah, ORTK. So we have ORTK and maybe Starbucks. No. So ORTK and XRTX. Potential breakout. Potential breakout. Yeah. XRTX is about to break. Yeah, XRTX. Let me just put this there. Let's see if we're gonna hold or we're gonna get rejected. $1.16. Okay, let us $1.16. Let's put a small position for beginning and try to see if we hold here. Let me just put another level there. $1.25. ORTK is pumping as well. Let's see if we pump from this breakout zone around the $1.04, if we're gonna hold above this level of resistance. Okay. We pumping for this one. Let's see. Okay, we have a breakout for ORTK. First profit taken around the $1.19. This one is still bumping. $1.18, $1.25, $1.25. First profit taken. Let's go. $1.25 for ORTX. Okay. Okay, we're gonna take our first profit taken. Let's go. We have a bit of rejection. Okay, ORTK is doing good. I'm gonna take out from this one and go to ORTK, doing good. Yeah, we have a bit of rejection, but it's good. It's still good if we're still holding above our EMA. But I prefer ORTK. ORTK is still bumping. A bit of rejection here. Let me just... Yeah, we got rejected, of course. Of course. That's why we get out. I don't like it. XRTX got rejected. And this one got rejected around our AMA. Okay, so in the 5-minute chart or 5-minute candle, we're still holding above this level. So ORTK have a pullback, but if we held above the $1, we're gonna have a continuation toward the $1.19. Let's see if we're gonna have this. Smaller picture, got rejected around our AMA, normal. This one got rejected. Sign of weakness in the smaller picture. Yeah, sign of weakness. We got rejected below the $1.25. That's why we exit fast. For this one is really a bit volatile. ORTK got halted down, I think. Yeah, got halted down because we hit with our AMA. We need to hold above the $1 as a psychological level in order to continue toward the $1.19. Okay, ORTK, I'm still watching ORTK, looking good. Let me just put it here for exit around the $1. We need to hold above the $1 if we don't want to have a sell-off. And first profit taken around the $1.18. Let's see if we go there. Let's put it first. Starbucks got rejected. We didn't have a breakout, you see. As we said, the breakout here should be around the $4. The price got rejected and going down. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, for this one, let me adjust the support. It should be around this gap. We need to hold this gap and above this AMA in order to have a reversal. So this should be our support here. Okay, this one is really volatile, guys. Really volatile. Okay, what's gonna happen for this one? Aha, huge red candle. And it bought back pretty quickly. Aha, a huge rejection around this AMA. Okay, so one of the things that we have to watch out for those kind of stock is the low volatility. So we have for this one just 1 million. Okay, that's why the price got rejected very quickly around this AMA. You see, a huge rejection around this AMA. That's why the price got rejected and went down. Now this stock is got rejected around this AMA, and now is around the $1. If we just go below the $1, it means a sell-off and the price will go toward this level, this 74. So this AMA got rejected exactly around this level. That's why we got halted down and the price went down. So we'll be extremely careful for this one because we got rejected around our AMA. Starbucks as well, we got rejected when the market opened. We don't have an entry around the $4. MULN hit our scan. Let me just check MULN. Yeah, MULN getting down toward the 25 cent. Yeah, the 25 cent should be our bottom. But technically, I think we're going to have a huge sell-off for MULN if we broke the 25. If we saw the 24, we might see a huge sell-off for MULN. Let me just check. Yeah, here should be around this level, a huge sell-off if we don't hold this level. The 25 exactly, yeah, the 25 exactly. BBIG is still holding. There's a potential for a break for this level. If we have a break, we might see like a huge volatility to go toward the 87 and the $1. Zoomedica. Okay, so Zoomedica not looking good. The 27, we didn't overcome it. BBY getting near the box. Yeah, getting near the box. So we have to be clear from this box to hold. Okay, so ORTK got sold off around our AMA. Now is around the $1. Let me just check the 5 minutes if we have a closing candle, and still we have a test for this AMA from below. So there's someone still buying ORTK. So this should be the last bottom to hold. Otherwise, we never actually have a reversal. So this area should hold around this conjunction area. You see here, this should be the last bottom for this stock. Otherwise, we're gonna have a huge sell-off and going toward the 75. Let me just check how much we can actually do for short position for this one. 22%. So now it's fighting around the 99 cents. Someone is shorting heavily. Someone is shorting heavily. If we broke this, it's game over for ORTK. Yeah, I think it's game over for it. If we just close there, here, would be game over for this stock. I'm gonna take it from our list. So let me just lower this, see if we have another break. And again, to check it later, in after hours or in power hour, we might see a test and a reversal there, the 77. So this one is jumping. The Starbucks is still holding the 34. MEGL. Okay, for the MEGL doing all right, around the $2.83. $2.83. Okay, for MEGL, we hit a scan yesterday because we did almost 100%. The $3.38 should be our breakout zone, but now it's still not clear entry for us. MULN is still holding. We have a reversal right now. You see, we have a 5-minute candle, green candle around our support exactly. So this is the last fight for MULN to have a reversal. As we said, we need to have a reversal there around the 29.89. Let me just check. Yeah. Hi, John. Hi, John. It's INT. Yeah, so BBY is getting reversed as we spoke about it in the pre-market. We said the 25 is our support. We need to hold it. Now we holding it right there around this level. Now we actually reversed. So now this should be the support. We have first 5 green candle forming, and the price is pumping for MULN. So this should be the bottom and the rejection area around the 28 because we're gonna meet our AMA there. So watch out. Or we have this one, as we said, XRTX. We got first, we got first here a bit of rejection, and now it's holding. Here we got another rejection. So this one is a really volatile, you know. Because we don't respect this level, we got rejected heavily when we tested this AMA with this red candle, and the price went up, and then now we gravitating higher once again. So let us update this level in order to have another entry for this stock. So we have another level around this. Okay, so this one should be nice bounce from our AMA from down. Nice bounce and rejection. Okay, let me just update this one. We did we lost 35% when the market opened, you know. So the stock was up really high around the $1.75, and we opened around below the $1. So this stock is really crazy. We lost almost 60%. So I will watch for the bottom for this stock around the $1 and the breakout zone around the $1.25. So updated breakout zone for this around the $1.25. ORTK is still fighting. We have a rejection around the $1.03. Let me just go in smaller picture, 5-minute candle and the 15, yeah. Huge wick, you see. So we might have another test for this stock because we're still holding above the 99. So this huge selling pressure, we might have another try to break this level around the $1.03. So the next time we have 15-minute candle closing here, confirmation for a breakout and continue to go higher. Otherwise, we're gonna have a sell-off toward the 77. So I'm watching for this accumulation. Here, there's a huge buying pressure happening. So it's not decided yet. And until we have a break for the $1.03, for a continuation for the $1.19 and $1.64. If we didn't, it means the price will continue toward this bottom later this day. Okay, we're gonna have a reversal there around the $1.78 and 74. This is the bottom for today for this stock, and here is another 20% down for this stock. So I will be watching this area. Let me just put in box. This would be a reversal area for today. If we broke this area around this 93, and here is the breakout zone. This is the breakout zone. We already got rejected. We didn't hold the 15-minute candle, so we have to be extremely careful. Now is the red candle actually printing while we're speaking. Smaller picture, yeah, we're still holding this AMA. We'll confirm if we broke this conjunction area, a sell-off. If we held a breakout. Already put my alert for this stock for a potential try again for the $1.03. Yeah, we might see another test because there's someone buying. There's someone buying this stock. And this one, XRTX, is still holding. The bottom is $1. Breakout zone is around the $1.25. So we have two stock have potential to squeeze for today. First off, we have XRTX and ORTK. Both of them got shorted when the market opened, but now we have a reversal from the bottom. For XRTX is the $1, for ORTK is the 74 cents. Both of them have bottom and potential reversal, and both of them have a resistance to break. XRTX is the $1.25, ORTK is the $1.03. For this one, we need to have a 15-minute candle over here and holding this conjunction area above the 0.95. You see now we have a bit of buying pressure happening. So we're gonna have another try maybe around the $1.03. We'll see. Starbucks still have a conjunction area here. So we'll watch for a breakout toward the $4.53. Bottom is around the $3.24. BBIG is testing the 75 cent. Watch out, guys. 75 cent is a breakout zone for BBIG. AMC. What's gonna happen for AMC? Tested our support Look what's gonna happen to AMC. Test and wick here. So we have a wick and the price went higher. So we have to be extremely careful for AMC because it's testing our ascending line and our AMA. If we broke it, it means a huge selling pressure toward this area. The $4.60 and $4.39 should be our support for AMC in coming days or even tomorrow. If we hold it, we're gonna have a reversal. This area is it for AMC. Let me just bring my circle. This area should be a reversal right now. We're gonna have this reaction going there. This is the resistance, $5.80, get rejected, then here the breakout. So this is for AMC. Let me just go back. Got shorted again, of course, $1.25, confirmed resistance. Support is around the $1. This one is still fighting for try to break the $1.03 once again. So we have to be patient because we got rejected exactly around our AMA. I don't like this. Boom. This is a huge rejection. Boom, boom, boom. So the price might go down now for a potential reversal here. Starbucks. Let me just check our list for the most gainer for today. We have NRSN. NRSN. Bless the like button and the way in. Let's try to make it to 50 likes today. We can do it, guys. We can do it. Come on, we have almost 60% watching and just 17 likes. Come on, even if you don't like the video, just dislike the video. Whatever you feel like it, do something. Here in trading, if you just watching, you miss the trade. You have to do something, Don't just watch. You have to do something. Taking action. Let me just check. Where do you see BBBY going? Okay. NRSN is going down. We got, let me just check, low volume, buyout, Starbucks still, APGN, HUDI is down, UCL. So today the market went up then went down. So the short is in control right now. The shorts are in control right now in today's market. BBIG breaking the 75. BBIG is breaking the 75. So we have a good reaction for BBIG. Okay, so BBIG, a new support should be here around the 71. We have a break for the 75. Still, we don't have a 5-minute candle to confirm this break around the 75. Interesting. So this is a good reaction right now for BBIG. ORTK fighting, going toward the $1. Another try for the $1.03. As we said, this will be another breakout. This time will be confirmed breakout toward the $1.19. If we broke the $1.03 this time, we're gonna have a breakout for OTRK and going toward the $1.64 squeeze area. We might see this reaction by today. Let me just check how much we can do. Actually 63% for this stock potential, but now is a bit risky because we are below the resistance. Here is a bit risky. So we have to break the $1.03 and hold 15-minute candle to confirm this breakout. Boom, $1.19 and going higher. Let us check $1.01 ORTK or ORTX. This one as well is pumping again from the bottom up. Both of them are pumping. We have to concentrate, we have to focus on just two. Okay. ORTK is pumping. ORTK try to break the $1.03 now. ORTK is bumping officially. Yes, $1.04, $1.05. We accumulated right around this AMA, as we said. We held it perfectly. Now it's breaking. What's gonna be $1.19. We're gonna hit our first profit taken. Let's see. Patience is a key, guys. Patience is a key. For trading is a key. Still a huge short. A short seller is positioned there. That's why we have a fight now. Still not confirmed yet. Let's see what's gonna happen. Confirm support around this 95. Around here, the 6 and the 9 a rejection. Not ready yet. Nope, we're not ready yet. The idea is in trading, you never have to force any trade. When a stock is not ready to jump, don't force it. Just put your alert and watch it go there. So put alert around the 94 as a sell-off for this stock, and profit taken $1.18, and just leave it be. And okay, this one have potential to squeeze as well around the $1.25. So I already put a notification around the $1.25 for a breakout toward the $1.48. Potential trade. This one might be almost 20% profit taken if we clear the $1.25. ORTK going back a bit, have a wick around the $1.03. So I'll be extremely careful for this one, because we have a tight level here, the 95 as a support. Okay, another 5 minute, a new 5 minute candle. Is it green or red? This one, if it's green and printing like this, oh man, this would be a huge breakout, a huge green candle like this. We're gonna have our breakout. We need a huge 5 minute candle, here to have a breakout toward the $1.19. Otherwise, we're gonna have a rejection. You see, we need it green, a huge green candle here. Let's see. OTRK, and the watch list for today. Starbucks not ready. XRTX still. Almost 4 million worth of volume for this one. OTRK still waiting and watching patiently. If you just came here, we already talked about this stock because it's been pumping in pre-market. We went until the $1.64, got rejected when the market opened, accumulated above the 95 support, and now we have another try to go toward the $1.18. We have TRK. We got XRTX for potential squeeze as well for the stock. Already did a huge pump for the market open, almost 100%. We give it half of it away before the market open. And we have a breakout around the $1.25. Potential profit taken around the $1.48. Price is still accumulating. We bought back around our MA, our current support. ORTK is moving. ORTK is moving. We might have a potential squeeze for this stock. Potential squeeze for this stock. $1.18. Patience, patience, patience. If we saw the 10 cent, $1.10, we're gonna have a breakout. A huge breakout. Yeah. The 15-minute candle, man. This 15-minute candle, if it closed green, is mean game over. The stock will start to squeeze. Huge rejection, you see here? So we need to short to cover. We need the short to cover. The short have to cover. If this candle go toward the $1.19, we're gonna have a huge pump for the stock once again. But we have to be patient. XRTX got shorted. I don't like this stock from the beginning. That's why we exit really quickly from this stock. We enter and we exit with little profit because we got rejected around the $1.25 resistance. If we don't hold the $1, it mean a sell-off, okay? If we don't hold the $1, it mean a sell-off for this stock. I don't suggest to buy the dip for it, okay? So watch out. $1, 5-minute candle close here. It means short open new position and huge short. $1.06 OTRK. OTRK. We're gonna have a squeeze, guys. $1.08. Come on. $1.18. We need $1.18 first profit taken. First profit taken, $1.18. Let's check another one. $1.36 after that. Yes, 10% and then 20%, I think. Maybe. Let's see. Accumulation here. Support, price going up. Got shorted before here. So let's see if we have a huge pump without any rejection. This is what we looking for. $1.11. Yeah, the $1.11 rejection, man. Yeah, this is will initiate the squeeze here around this area. Let's see what's gonna happen. Are we gonna have a halt up? This is will be even better. We need a halt up for this stock. Patience is a key. $1.07. Okay, we already put alert for this one, for the sell-off support or the stop loss, and for the profit taken. So we'll leave it be and check Zoomedica. Oh, Zoomedica is breaking. Zoomedica is breaking our level. So this is our support now. And we might see a huge pump for Zoomedica right now. Zoomedica is pumping. Let's see Zoomedica. So Zomedica new support now around the 27. We need to hold this support to confirm this breakout to go toward the 30, then the 33. Let me just put 30 cents as first resistance. So we have a breakout for Zomedica. ORTK is bumping $1.08, going slowly. Don't like this. What I like is a huge volume, man. We missing volume. Just 3 million. We need 10 million or more to have a huge bump like this. But we have to be patient. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let me just put this here as just in case. Boom. Around the $1. We should hold this time above the $1 to have a pump. Zomedica. We might have a halt up for Zomedica maybe. So Zomedica, the price target of the 33 cent is the 40 cent. Another 40%. So we have first resistance for Zomedica around the 30 cent. BBIG still holding good 76, really good. So this is really good reaction for Zomedica. We might have our breakout around the 87. Let me just put alert for Zomedica for potential breakout for today. 87. Support right now for Zomedica is 71. This one is still holding around the $1, $1.03. ORTK is still fighting, man, still fighting, $1.07. So yeah, here the short is heavily positioned around the $1.11. That's why we still have a struggle. Let's see this 5-minute candle breaking this level or not. This 5-minute candle, we needed to do this. Boom. Huge green candle. This will be really good to break the 11 without any test. We don't want to have this reaction going toward the $1.11, then boom, gonna have rejection. I don't like this. So we don't need any rejection. We need a break without any test to confirm this bottom, okay? To confirm this is been bought by a market maker. Zomedica, come on, Zomedica, this is the support now. 27 is the support, confirmed support. We need to hold it to confirm a breakout. Otherwise, a sell-off. If we got rejected there around the 30 cent. So this is a confirmation for short seller position if we got rejected. If we got rejected there, we're gonna have another sell-off until the 24. So watch out. 27 is our support. Breakout 33 to go toward the 33. Yeah, the 30 cent is our breakout. Yeah. We have a huge selling pressure. I don't like this, you know. I don't like this in one bit. We should have actually went up, you know, like $1.11, $1.15 without stopping. The volume is a bit light right now, $1.06. XRTX is still holding. This is good. This is the last bottom. As we said, if we broke it, it means sell-off. So Zomedica is bumping now. 2 million. The volume is a bit the market today. Okay, MULN is bumping from our support. How much we did from here? 6%, pretty good. As we said, the 25 is our reversal area. That's why we have a reversal. ATR broke from this flag down, a huge selling pressure. So this is bearish. RIVN still holding. This one, AMC is still holding. You see, AMC is reversed from our bottom. As we said, this is the bottom. That's why we see a buying pressure right now. BBY is still holding above the box. Zoomedica is pumping above this level of support. BBIG is still holding. Let me just check Ape. We don't have to forget Ape, guys. Ape. Bouncing from our ascending line again. Look how crazy it is, man. Like mini test and reversal for Ape. So the breakout zone next time is around the $1.83 for potential profit taken around the $2.16. What's gonna be OTRK. Still fighting. $1.06 printing. How everybody doing? Johnny, welcome brother, welcome. Ape, if you BO, Ellen, yes, we got over 50 people watching, but 42 likes. Come on, we have to even this out. Today we have to make it over 50. Come on guys, we can do that. 50 likes. Right now we have 42 likes and over 50 people watching. Welcome Johnny, welcome George. Hello George. The SPY. George, the SPY is still, as we said it in our chart analysis for today, got rejected around our bearish channel. Ape breaking. Johnny, Ape is still not breaking. As we said it, we don't overcome this level of resistance. The $1.83 is our breakout zone for Ape, and as we spoke about it before, this ascending channel is the market maker buying Ape. Look, this is accumulation area, man. So there's a huge pump for Ape will happen if we're still holding this ascending line. Is mean someone buying Ape. A big whale making Ape holding above this ascending line and holding above this AMA. So the next time we break the $1.83, we're gonna have a huge pump toward the 2 and the $2.80. For the SPY, for George, as we spoke about it before, we said this price will have a test for the SPY and get rejected. So that's what happened. We got rejected, and today is 0.70% down. And as we spoke about it, we said this is really important for the SPY to overcome. Let me just do this. Of course, George, you see from the chart analysis that this is the fifth rejection. This is the fifth rejection, as we said it before. The fifth rejection before, in the last year, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 around this bearish channel. And the price now is going toward 355. If we don't overcome the 400 next time. Zoomedica, what's gonna happen? The price went down for Zoomedica right now. So we have a rejection. Yeah, we didn't close above it. 15-minute candle. Yeah, we didn't. So Zoomedica didn't close a 15-minute candle over this resistance. So let me just put it another alert here. So we need to have a breakout, clear breakout from this level. OTRK, man, is still holding. So this one is on our watch list. There's a potential for squeeze, guys, for this one if we broke the $1.11 toward the $1.19. $1.36 to profit taking. After that, the squeeze area $1.64. So we're still watching. This one is on our list. Let's see what's gonna happen. We're still holding above the $1. We accumulated above our support, the 95. When the market opened, this was around our it was on our watch list with XRTX. So we traded both of them. This one we exit pretty quickly, as we said, because we got rejected around this area, and this was a sign of weakness. That's why we visited the $1. And OTRK was still waiting for the $1.19 or the $1.18 profit taken. So let me just check. Yeah, we're still holding. And now is getting rejected. Let me just check if we're still holding above the $1 right now after this rejection. As we said, we should have actually went really high without any rejection. So this wick is where the short seller are heavily positioned. That's why we didn't have a clear breakout. So we need the short seller to cover, in order to have a parabolic price toward the $1.19. Let me just take this off. Ape XRTX. Okay, we have a reversal for this one from the support. Starbucks is going down. MEGL is still holding. MULN bouncing from our support. Let me just check AMC. Oh, AMC is doing good. Bounce from our bottom, as we discussed it around this circle. We said this is the bottom for AMC, and the resistance at the moment is around this level, the $5.83. So if we got rejected there, we're gonna break this ascending line, so we have to be extremely careful. OTRK is going down. It's shorted again. So the short seller are gaining some ground. A huge wick again. So there's a huge fight, as we said, around the $1.11, man. So there's a huge short here. We should have actually went up without any waiting here. I don't like the waiting position here. I don't really like it. So now we're still holding above the $1 as a psychological level. If we broke it, it means going down heavily and getting shorted officially. So now we have to wait to see if that will happen or not. Okay. Close FUBO. Let me just check if okay, $2.02 around the $2. Yeah, man, this is, yeah, we got a test right now above the $2 exactly. That's why we're seeing a buying pressure at the moment. Let me just go in a smaller picture. Yeah, right now we have 6% down. FUBO, yesterday we jumped until the $2.40, got rejected and went down heavily with the market. Now we have a test for this support. As you see, we got a huge support here around the $2 and the $1.94 here. This is actually the test for FUBO. If we have a closing candle here, for sure the price will continue toward the $1.79 once again. So now is a critical test for FUBO. You see it here clearly that we have last time a wick and the price bought back. Now we have two wicks. yesterday, I think, or today in pre-market, and the price bought back once again. So the $2 is important level to hold for FUBO. Any price close below the $2 for today. Let me just check. Yeah, 1 hour candle. Yeah, 1 hour candle will confirm that. So if we hold today above the $2 and never have a closing candle below the $2, we're gonna have a reversal for FUBO and going higher. So should be the bottom for the common date for FUBO to confirm a reversal. So this is the area, is a reversal area right now for FUBO. Let me just check here. Yeah, around this area. Perfect. So this should be a reversal area, as we spoke about it for AMC. Should be a reversal area for this box. So now we have a reversal for AMC. We have a reversal for the other one. Let me just MULN. Yeah, MULN. We have a huge wick, as we spoke about, around support. So let me just put MULN first. We got FUBO as well, the second that reversed from our bottom. We got AMC. So we have 3 stocks that reversed from our bottom that we spoke about in pre-market. First off, as we spoke about, the 25 cents for MULN. FUBO right now around the $2, a huge test between the $1.97 and the $2. No closing candle, 1 hour candle below this purple box. And AMC reversed officially from the $5.35. Yeah, this support. We have 1 hour green candle forming, so it has accumulation now. So yeah, AMC doing good. Let me just check here. Zomedica still testing this resistant and breakout zone. And now this one is still holding above the $1. What's got with this stock? 80% up. In Neurosense, top healthcare gainer. So we have pharmaceutical stock. Always pharmaceutical stock is pumping. This one did 80% up today. It's been barcoding before. Then we have a huge pump. Yeah, we have a huge pump, but we got rejected there. EHang reversed from our support, as we spoke about it before. Got rejected yesterday, of course, and the day before around the 1785. Already took profit, and now we reversed 17% from the bottom, 11.30 cents. So this is the bottom for EHang, a reversal. Great reversal for EHang. Really great reversal. We got many Chinese stock is doing all right. We have EDU now 12%. Yeah, 12% is going toward, let me just check, the 51. So yeah, the 51 should be the profit taken for EDU. Let me just check how much we can make for EDU. Another 9%. We have this one. Udai. So let me just put EDU because it's looking interesting. Yeah, it's still bumping. Okay. So we got EDU is pumping now 12%. Breakout was around the 41. Let's see if we have news for EDU. Of course, again, for EDU and Starbucks, both of them have a physical Q2 income revenue decline, share down, or RTK going toward the $1, of course. EDU is still pumping because, as we said before, we got physical year, the last year. Even though we have revenue in decline, the price is jumping up. This is really crazy. It's counterintuitive, you know. Yeah, we might see the 47 for ADU for today. Let me just check how much we can do from there. 3% again. Yeah, the 47 or the 48. Yeah, still pumping. Yeah, ADU still pumping toward the 47.94. Welcome everybody. So now we got almost 60 viewers and 55 likes. Come on, we could actually do better, guys. 100 likes. Can we do that today? 100 likes for today. I think it's doable. Can you see another pump for OTRK? Now, no. Now is a bit dangerous. Going down again toward the 1. So if we want to have another pump like that happened in pre-market, we have to visit this box around the 74 and the 77. So there's a potential there around this area to reverse. Okay, so this should be the bottom for this stock to have a reversal. We might see this in the power hour, okay? As long as we hold this support, we might see accumulation again, then a break. So this should be the support around this accumulation area. The 93, the 95, this area, never go below it. Because if we went below it, it means a sell-off. And a sell-off toward the 74 and the 77. And here we're going to have a huge reversal. Let me just go there. Yeah. So here we have to update our level. And let me just update our level for this one. Yeah, this is good. So the breakout for today should be the $1.08 for this stock. $1.08 will be the breakout. BBIG going down again. So let me just take this off. Going toward this box. We're gonna fill this box for BBIG. EDU 45, 45, 45. We got a bit of rejection. How much we did from there? 2%. So yeah, we're still holding above the $1, so there's a potential break for this level. So we need to hold this support, this area. Should be the bottom for this stock to have a potential pump once again. This will be the best case scenario to happen in the power hour. Okay, so might happen in power hour, so watch out for this level. $1.08 for OTRK, a breakout zone for this stock. $1.08 potential breakout, boom, toward the $1.19 and the $1.36. Okay, so this one got shorted. I don't like it now. I will take it from the list. MEGL, low volume, man, low volume. Take it out of my list. ATER, going back to life. Going back to life. Let me just take this off. It's a bit tight. It's a bit tight. Yeah, coming back to life. RIVN, not good. BBBY is still not ready. We might be ready if we broke this level around this AMA. So I put it around the $4.11. And Zoomedica is kind of undecided now. Let me just put it around the 30 cents. Okay, and take this off. So the 30 cent will be kind of volatility back for Zomedica. BBIG not good right now, take it off my list. AMC doing kind of good, got rejected again as we said around our AMA, the $5.65. FUBO officially getting inside this box. So yeah, I think we're gonna have a huge selling pressure for FUBO because right now is $1.98. If we have this 1 hour candle close below this box, is mean a sell-off toward this reversal area, potential reversal area around this level, the $1.80, $1.79. So we would be extremely careful right now. Take it out from my list. MULN still holding. So yeah, we have ADU potential going toward 47. We're gonna have a huge pump for ADU if we still continue to go up, and at least holding this current support now. Let me just check. Yeah, we have a huge bump for today. Someone shorting EDU now. We have a bit of accumulation and the price kind of going down. First 5-minute candle pullback. Good question. What's your most confident stock for today? Okay, today we don't have a clear like stock because today we have indecision phase for the market. The market go up, then went and sold off right quickly. So now we don't have one stock that we are 100% sure for. So that's why today is not good market volatile wise, you know. When the market opened, we got a bit of drawback because we still kind of in bearish mode because of the SPY, you know. GNS 90%. Oh, this one is doing good actually. This one is doing good. We have there, we have there. So this one is looking promising toward the $1.36. Okay, we might see a continuation for this stock if we held the 0.96. We might have a breakout there. Yeah, this is a breakout. We'll have a breakout around this level, $1.08 toward the $1.36. This stock already did 94% up, and we might see another 26%. It's doable. We held the 96 as a bottom. So this is the support. We need to hold it, and this is the breakout zone for today to go toward this level. So this one is looking promising. Let me just put it on our list. It's better the other stock because the other one is losing volatility, and there's no action, you know. EDU is getting shorted again. Let me just take this. OTRK barcoding now, you see, low volatility, low volume, not good, not good. So yeah, we have GNS. Thank you for bringing this up. Jim, great question. Yeah, the market maker are like kind of tricking people up. going up and down and buying around the bottom and let people actually selling their position. For ape, as we said, we have a breakout pretty soon for ape. So I'm watching ape for a breakout around this triangle. We already spoke about ape in the beginning of our video. $1.66. And we have a reversal right around our AMA. So for my opinion, stop loss or exit should be around the $1.45, because if we broke the $1.45, we're gonna have a huge sell-off toward the $1. So as long as we hold this AMA is good for a breakout toward the $1.83 and beyond toward the $2. So I will be watching. You see this huge buying pressure. This is really good reaction for ape. We're gonna do a video update, of course, for BBY and mini stocks, so stay tuned for that. Bear trap, exactly, Archie, exactly. Yeah, guys, look for this buy. We have a bear trap here. Like, everybody think that the market will enter a bullish trend. As we said before, is not entering bullish trend as well, as long as we are inside this bearish channel. So whatever news you listen to and fundamental, I don't take it 100% sure, because we don't know what's gonna happen, you see. But in the technical, it actually give us a glimpse what's gonna happen. What we said before, even from the last year, we said the 430 will be a confirmation for bullish trend, and the first signal is escaping from this bearish channel, guys. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 rejection, and now this month got the 5th rejection. That's why we got huge selling pressure, because we didn't clear this bearish channel from above. Simple, man, simple. We need to clear and holding above this bearish channel to go higher, but we didn't. So now actually technically we're still in bearish momentum, and if we still continue to test this bearish channel, officially we're gonna go toward this box in this year, around the 321 to be exact. This is the bottom. EVAX, AK, Johnny, AK. So AK asked about AVAX. Let me just check. We are watching GNS, Genius Group Limited, did almost 85% today. There's a potential for another pump from the $1. The bottom for this stock, if we got a huge sell-off, we're gonna have a huge reversal from this bottom, the 73. So we'll be extremely careful if we got rejected around this level of resistance and we don't hold the 96. 73 should be a bottom, a reversal area for this stock to have a reversal. So I'm watching right now this one for potential trade. Let me just put it there, $1.63. Yeah, what's gonna happen for this one? A huge green candle forming now. EVAX for my one of our hunter here. AV ask about AVAX. So for this one is kind of tricky, because we got rejected around the $2, got accumulated, now barcoding. Not good now, not good. You see, there is no volume, man. So not traded until we clear the $2 once again. Otherwise, it's risky. After we clear the $2, we might have a profit taken around the $2.19 and beyond, like $2.28, and the other one around this area, the $2.52. So after the $2, I will be interested to buy the stock now. No, because the volume is light. Oh, GNS. GNS is about to break. Okay, GNS. Let us check GNS. For GNS, there's one in the London Exchange and the other one in American Exchange. So check closely that you choose the American one on the Nasdaq. So both have the same ticker. $1.05. Okay, this one going up again. OTRK still holding the $1. As we said, this should be a pump right now. $1.04. We might have a break. $1.08 toward the $1.19. This is the bottom, as we said before. Let me just put another alert because we're still holding strong. And going toward GNS. TNXP just started rocketing. Thank you for bringing this up, Jim. Let me just check TNXP for a potential trade for this one. We did 15%. TNXP. Okay, TNXP have a bottom and support around the $1.02. That's why we're pumping now. Potential breakout is around the $1.56. Yeah, we have a huge pump from the bottom. This is really good from the bottom, $1.02. This is really good. So I would be like extremely careful there around the $1.32 or $1.33. Yeah, for potential rejection area. If we get rejected before even the $1.56 is mean we're not ready yet, and we get rejected, and we're gonna go down to test at least the $1.08 for potential reversal there. So this area should be tested first before the $1.56. Yeah, TNXP looking good. Look at this chart. Look, we have a really good reversal from the beginning of this year. Bullish run. Someone bought there and the price start to reverse. So we have three stocks on our watch list: OTRK, GNS, and TNXP. TNXP is a bit light on volume, less than 1 million. So today we did the live streaming watch list. So we covered all the questions from our hunters here. We cover RIVN, ATR, of course. So we're gonna do tomorrow as well for the watch list. If you are on Bitcoin, just make sure to put your question to cover it first here on our live streaming. Okay, TNXP is pumping $1.24, potential resistance around the $1.32. GNS have potential to squeeze if we broke the $1.08. I'm watching for potential entry. Yeah, got shorted again. GNS, OTRK. Okay, we're gonna do a chart analysis update for the other stock that have potential to squeeze, like GNS. We're gonna do update for it because it's still that there's a potential for this stock to go up, and if it go down, we're gonna hunt for the bottom price as well. TNXB, we're gonna do update, of course, if we clear the $1.30. And if we get rejected as well. So those three stocks will put update chart analysis on our Patreon after the live streaming. So watch out for that, for potential entry and exit point for those stocks. And if we have another stock on our watch list, because we might get alerted, we're gonna do a chart analysis for them as well. So stay tuned for that, and we're gonna do a video for BBBY and the other stock on our watch list for tomorrow around 8 p.m. CET, so stay tuned for this video. Thank you for watching. Tomorrow we're gonna do live streaming around 3 p.m. CET before the market open to have our watch list like today and hunt for the stocks for tomorrow, okay? Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.